Tenzin Sunde, 14 countries expressed concern over the WHO-China joint report. In March, a group of 14 countries came forward. The European delegation to the UN has said there's an urgent need for an extensive probe. 100 countries called for investigations last year. Australia has said a global independent committee set up, distinct from WHO, needs to be there. Isn't it finally time for the global community to tell China we need an investigation in this?
Yeah. Firstly, China has been changing the narrative right from the beginning. They said it came from wet market, and later they started to blame that it could have come from the United States, or they even named India as a source of that. China has been lying. But the sad fact is, internationally, the international community has failed belling the cat, and that is China. China, in the beginning, firstly, they tampered with evidence. They hid facts and figures. They jailed whistleblowers. The doctor who first talked about it was punished. And this is how China lied. And this is how it ended up becoming an epidemic, something that could have been an epidemic in a city, in Wuhan. It had now become pandemic around the world. Millions of people are lost their lives, and it has now caused a catastrophe. Now what is needed is, internationally, there should be an internationally coordinated investigation into this and make China accountable to the lies that have done this. And Mr. Andrew Leung, he's on the panel today. I want to tell you, Mr. Andrew Leung, you must tell Xi Jinping that China must accept the responsibility and accountability for having caused the pandemic and the death and the destruction the entire community, international community, is suffering. Now, China must cooperate. China must cooperate with the international community's investigation and find out the truth. Without knowing the origination of the virus, there is no end to this pain and the suffering that the international community is undergoing. I am a Tibetan refugee. I'm speaking from Dharamshala. We know China. China has invaded and occupied our country for 70 years. And China has occupied not only Tibet, East Turkestan, Southern Mongolia, Manchuria. Now China is threatening to invade Taiwan. And all this time, international community kept silent. Why? Because they felt it is their problem. It is not our problem. Today, because of the pandemic, internationally, everybody is affected. There is not a single human being in the world who is not affected by a pandemic. And it's called, everything has caused from China, and China must take accountability to this, and international community must make China pay for this.
Yes.
Can I respond to that, please?
I asked, and Andrew Leung, I ask you, from where Tenzin Sunde has left off. Yes, please do respond. Please do.
Well, briefly, I would just say that China share the findings of the virus as early as I think it's the 3rd of January 2020. That's over a year and a half ago. And in the international journal called Lancet. And then won the praise of the international experts around there and share around the world. And that's why some countries are able to contain the virus. Some countries did not.
Not true, Andrew Leung, not true. Seriously. Not true. It is China who has been lying, and you did not give information on time. Even when Taiwan said it is transmittable from human to human, China kept on saying no and no. And that's how it became a pandemic.
Let's look at it. Well, first of all, it's a fact that these findings were reported to Lancet as early as January 2020. And secondly, at the beginning, let's not forget it's a completely new disease. Like any other new disease, when it first happened, nobody had a very good idea whether it could be spread from human to human or animal to human. And even the WHO scientists were saying this at the beginning. So that's the beginning. But then soon, more data came up, and China shared this data internationally.
Not true. Andrew Leung, now you're also lying on this platform. It is China who has been lying. You did not give information on time. You knew. And the doctors who told about it, these doctors were jailed. And Dr. Wen Liang, he died in jail.
And
so this is how you cause the pandemic in the world. And you must accept this mistake. Unless China accepts this mistake, you will never be able to correct this. International community must talk